Hey! In front of me is POCO M5 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this POCO device. You need to begin by opening Calendar app. If you never used it before, you need to click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and choose Got It. Now click on the month above and pick a date by clicking on it. After that, you need to choose this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select Event. Then adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Now you can click on Events over here, select one of those options. I will go with Family, and then pick Starting Hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by selecting this switcher over here. Now click on Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, just tap on Does Not Repeat. You can also add people, videos, and even click on Add Location. Now click on While using the app or only this time for this feature to work. Type in an address of your event and click on the correct result. Then, you can set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, change color of your event, take notes, and add attachments. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner, and as you can see after that, my event was successfully created. In order to make some changes, you need to click on it and select pen icon at the top right corner. Now change wherever you wish to, and discard your changes by clicking on the top left corner, or save them by choosing top right one. In order to delete your event completely, click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Delete option. Lastly, confirm your choice by choosing Delete in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!